Hey there, magical stitcher! Today, Doobie-Doo is going to teach you the foundation behind all of our In the Hoop projects. And leading the way is a sweet, colorful little friend, a lovely little bee. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to dive into any of our creative In the Hoop designs with confidence and joy. Let's gather the materials. Here's what you'll need. 2 pieces of tearaway stabilizer, just a bit larger than your hoop to keep things nice and secure. Two pieces of batting, cut to the size of your hoop. This is what gives your project that soft, plushy look. Four pieces of felt, also hoop-sized, for the side and back finishes. Pick your favorite colors and let your creativity flow. Cotton fabrics use your preferred colors. Embroidery thread in your favorite colors. A hot glue gun. A wooden stick and ribbon for the final touches. And of course, your hoop, your embroidery machine, and the bee design on your USB stick. Ready? Let's begin. Load the design onto your USB and plug it into your machine. Hoop the tearaway stabilizer and stitch the placement line. Now place your batting over the line, return the hoop to the machine, and stitch it down. Remove the hoop and carefully trim the excess batting. Then put the hoop back into the machine. Place a piece of felt on top and stitch it down. Time for appliques. Choose your cotton fabrics, the colors that make your heart smile. and begin stitching the bee's details: eyes, stripes, any lettering, and of course, the outlines. Next, take the hoop out again and tape the back felt to the underside. Then, return the hoop to the machine to stitch the final backing line. Carefully remove the project from the hoop and trim the excess fabric all around. And there you go. Your first piece is ready. Now just repeat the exact same steps to create the second part of the bee. Once both parts are done, you can glue them together using hot glue, or hand stitch them if you prefer. Now it's time to let your imagination fly. Hang your bee on walls, in planters, on shelves, anywhere you like. They're more than decorations. They carry your energy, your care, and your creativity. Thanks so much for stitching along with us today. We hope you loved making this project as much as we loved designing it for you. And don't forget to check out all of our In the Hoop designs at www.doobiedoembroidery.com. We'll see you in the next video for more magic and inspiration, sending sparkly hugs and happy stitching.